Stop settling for frozen pizza. This homemade pizza roll is officially the GOAT of dinner hacks. This is seriously yummy, and today we're making a family-sized roll that feeds the whole crowd with just one tray. We're starting with the dough. Into the mixer goes the flour, sugar, salt, and oil, followed by that warm milk and yeast mixture. Once it's combined, give it a quick manual knead on a floured surface until it's perfectly smooth. Now let it rise in an oiled bowl for 40 minutes to an hour. You'll know it's ready when it's doubled in size and feels incredibly light. Now for the fun part. Roll it out into a 30 by 50 centimeter rectangle. This dough is a dream to work with and shouldn't stick at all. Spread a base of tomato sauce, followed by a heavy sprinkle of oregano. Now layer on your cheese, savory ham, fresh tomatoes, and a final dusting of Parmesan for that extra flavor boost. Roll it up tight and place it seam down on a tray with baking paper. No egg wash needed here. It's going to brown beautifully on its own. Bake at 200 degrees for 40 minutes until it's golden and bubbling. Each slice is about 300 calories and worth every bite. Full measurements are in the description. Subscribe if you're ready for more kitchen wins. See you next time.